The door is knocking. You listen to it?
Yes.
Yeah. Who? Who's coming? Who's coming?
No one.
Come on, please.
I can't say.
Oh,
Uh.
this is your new friend.
Hmm?
Say Assalamu alaikum. Say Assalamu
So,
alaikum. Yes, this is your new friend, and your new friend name is Ba. What is the
bear?
name? Ba.
Bear. Yeah.
Ba. Yes, Arslan. What is the name of the new friend?
Uh, bear.
Ba. Aisha. What is the name of the new
Bear.
friend? Ba. Great.
Bear.
Ba. Bravo. Great. Excellent. Okay, so this is the letter Ba. Who can describe the letter Ba for me? Can you describe the letter Ba, Arslan?
Um,
What it, what does it look like?
the bear is look like uh a let me see, okay looking a mouth looking and there's a dot in the down part.
A mouth?
Yeah, it look like a mouth
Yeah.
and, and
Has a
this
dot
is
under it?
yeah. Yes.
Yeah, great. And Aisha, how can you describe this your new friend, letter Ba?
There's a C upside down and there's a circle look like a tiny circle.
Yes, excellent. Who will describe the letter Ba for me to draw it? I want to draw it, but I don't know how. Who will help me? Arslan, can you help me, please?
Okay, for what?
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black and blue and red.
Black and blue and red. So use black at the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you help me, please, uh, draw the letter Ba? How can I draw it?
So you need to write a mouth or a upside down C and put look like a little dot on it. Look like and
Like that?
and put the dot right here.
Here?
Uh, it look and put it look like a little circle.
Okay, we can do it like that. Yes, and we can do it like that. Like the bold
Yeah.
one. Yeah. Aisha, what do you think about that? Is it a right Ba letter?
Um,
What's your favorite color?
my favorite color is um purple and
Purple. Yeah, we have purple. Okay, can you help me? Can you help me uh, draw the letter Ba?
blue. First you need a C and put it upside down.
Okay, like that.
Use in this circle in the bottom.
Yes.
A ball.
This dot on the bottom.
Yes.
Yes. Can you read it? What is this letter?
There.
Ba. Great. Yeah, Ba has many shapes. When letter Ba comes at the beginning of the word, this is the shape of letter Ba at the beginning of the word. Okay? Can you see it, Aisha?
Yes.
Arslan, can you see it? Yes. So, how can I recognize it? My friend, I can recognize my friend Aisha. I can recognize my friend by the dot on the bottom. The dot on the bottom. Every time I want to recognize my friend Ba by the dot on the bottom. Right, Arslan? Yeah. So, let's have some examples on the letter Ba at the beginning of the word. Okay? So, where is letter Ba at the beginning of the word? Which color? The green or the orange or the blue?
Okay. I'm gonna say the green.
Green. And Aisha, what do you think?
The green.
The
So,
green one. Okay, so let's open some examples for the green one. Yeah, it's where is the ba at the middle of the word?
the um here, here
The orange or the blue?
the blue.
No, the orange. Okay, the ba letter at the middle of the word is the orange one. Okay? Okay, let's see some examples for the orange one. Okay, okay. Can you find the ba at the end of the words?
The blue one.
The blue one. Aisha,
Yeah.
the second one. Where is the ba?
The blue one.
Yes, my friend. What is the name of your friend, Arslan?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay. So, who will concentrate with
The blue one.
me? Will play a game with me right after we finish this examples, okay? Who will concentrate with me?
It's the blue
Yeah,
one.
yes. And Aisha, the last one.
Blue.
What is the the blue one? Yes, great. Let's see.
Here.
Can you find it here? Inside the black box?
Yeah.
Which one?
Right
Here in
here.
this word? In this word?
No, this one.
This one? This one has bad letter?
I think so. Yeah.
Which one? This one or this one? Can you find it? Yes, how I can recognize my friend?
Adam, a little dots.
Yeah, at the
Yes, ha
bottom.
has dot on the bottom. So, do we have a dot on the bottom here? In this word?
Yes.
This
Right
one?
here.
Yeah, great, excellent, Arslan. It's your
Yeah.
chance to win. Where is the letter ba, Aisha?
What is it about? Circle it.
Circle it.
Right.
Yes,
Yeah.
excellent, excellent,
I
excellent,
go.
cute Aisha. Yeah, let's do it.
I go
Okay,
here something.
what do you pick?
Two.
Two.
Oh.
See, Bismillah. Oh, Aisha won. So now we have Arslan won the American football and Aisha wins now at the bowling. Okay, guys, it was a great job. Let's remember our friend is called Litter. What is the name of our friend?
Ba. Ba.
Litter Ba. Litter Ba. And what is the sound of our friend?
What sounds look like?
Ba. Ba.
Ba.